took a walk down memory lane. I opened up the book and saw a heart next to your name. It took me back, I remembered what I had. I swallowed hard, looked to the ground, and my tears began to fall. If I had the chance, I swear I would. Like my mother told me, son, you live and learn. And all this pain I feel inside, I could blame it on the lies. The lies will never set you free. The truth lies in between you and me. You were gone, I was still in love. How could you leave me like this? Was it yesterday was our first? And I took a walk down memory lane. I sit alone inside myself. I never met the love that felt. It took me back, I remembered what I had. There are no pills for this pain. One dare to wish for it to find you. If I had a chance, I swear I would. Like my mother told me, son, you live and learn. And all this pain I feel inside, I could blame it on the lies. The lies will never set you free. The truth lies in between you and me. You and